Learn English to Gujarati. Target Group 2.
Samiti.
With business words and funny stories. Welcome, brave word explorer. You are about to learn some very useful English to Gujarati words, and yes, we will make bureaucracy surprisingly entertaining. If a committee can have drama, so can your vocabulary. Today you will meet these stars: target group, addressee, recipient, participants, actor, stakeholder, interest group, and committee. In Gujarati, that is
लक्षित समूह, प्राप्तकर्ता, सहभागियों, अभिनेता, हितधारक, हितजूथ,
and.
समिति.
Notice one funny thing already. Addressee and recipient both use
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Lucky you, 2 English words for the price of 1 Gujarati word. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize everything like a robot with 3 coffees. Just listen, smile, repeat, and let the words stick. A target group is a specific audience. In Gujarati, say
लक्षित समूह.
Example. This product is designed for a specific.
लक्षित समूह.
An addressee is the person addressed in a letter. In Gujarati, say
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Example. Please write the
प्राप्तकर्ता.
clearly on the envelope. A recipient is also
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Example. The package reached the right.
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Participants are people taking part. In Gujarati, say
सहभागियों.
Example. All
सहभागियों.
received a certificate. An actor is
अभिनेता.
Example. The
अभिनेता.
walked onto the stage. A stakeholder is
हितधारक.
Example. Every
हितधारक.
was invited to the meeting. An interest group is
हितजूथ.
Example. The
हितजूथ.
spoke for local farmers. A committee is
समिति.
Example. The
समिति.
meets every Friday. A very serious meeting that is not serious at all. Now let us throw all the words into one tiny story and watch them politely panic. This is where memory gets sticky. A company wanted to launch a new app for busy young professionals. First, the marketing team asked, "Who is our target group?" Everyone nodded wisely and said,
लक्षित समूह.
Quote. Then someone wrote a letter to the wrong person, so the boss shouted, "Please check the
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Quote. The courier arrived and proudly announced that the package had reached the correct.
प्राप्तकर्ता.
In the workshop room, the
सहभागियों.
sat down with notebooks, snacks, and the confidence of people who had definitely not read the agenda. Suddenly a famous
अभिनेता.
entered to promote the app, because apparently every project becomes glamorous if you add one actor. But the project manager stayed focused and said, "Before we celebrate, every
हितधारक.
must be heard." Outside, a local
हितजूथ.
demanded better features for farmers. So finally, a special
समिति.
met to decide everything. After 3 hours, 6 teas, and 1 broken pen, the
समिति.
decided the app should simply be easier to use. Miracles do happen. Word spotlight. Let us zoom in on each word so your brain can stop pretending they all mean people in a room. Target group.
लक्षित समूह.
Think of a bullseye. Not everybody, only the chosen audience. Addressee or recipient.
प्राप्तकर्ता.
This is the person who receives something, especially a letter or parcel. Participants.
सहभागियों.
These are the people who join an event, class, or meeting. Actor.
अभिनेता.
The performer on stage or screen. Extra dramatic eyebrow movement is optional. Stakeholder.
हितधारक.
A person or group affected by a project or decision. They may not own it, but they care. A lot. Sometimes with slides. Interest group.
हितजूथ.
A group that represents shared interests and tries to influence decisions. Committee.
समिति.
A formal group that discusses and decides things. Usually while someone says, "Let us circle back." Mini dialogue practice. Repeat these lines after me like you are starring in a tiny office comedy. Bonus points for dramatic pauses. A. Who is this campaign for? B. It is for the
लक्षित समूह.
A. Did you write the addressee? B. Yes, the
प्राप्तकर्ता.
is clear on the envelope. A. Who received the parcel? B. The
प्राप्तकर्ता.
opened it carefully. A. Have the participants arrived? B. Yes, the
सहभागियों.
are already in the hall. A. Who is on stage? B. That is the
अभिनेता.
A. Should we ask everyone before deciding? B. Yes, every
हितधारक.
matters. A. Who represents the residents? B. The
हितजूथ.
does. A. Who will approve the plan? B. The
समिति.
will. Quick memory tricks. Here are some shortcuts, because your brain loves patterns almost as much as it loves snacks. 4.
लक्षित समूह.
Think of locks as aim. The target group is the aimed at group. 4.
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Remember that it is the receiver, not the sender. The letter goes to the
प्राप्तकर्ता.
4.
सहभागियों.
Imagine a room full of people participating together. 4.
अभिनेता.
Picture an actor bowing on stage under bright lights. 4.
हितधारक.
Split it mentally into interest plus holder. Someone who holds an interest. 4.
हितजूथ.
Think shared interest plus group. Many voices, one cause. 4.
समिति.
Imagine a formal table, files, tea, and a serious face trying very hard not to yawn. Tiny quiz, big confidence. You are ready. Do not panic. This is a friendly quiz, not a surprise attack by grammar. What is the Gujarati word for target group?
लक्षित समूह.
What is the Gujarati word for addressee or recipient?
प्राप्तकर्ता.
What is the Gujarati word for participants?
सहभागियों.
What is the Gujarati word for actor?
अभिनेता.
What is the Gujarati word for stakeholder?
हितधारक.
What is the Gujarati word for interest group?
हितजूथ.
What is the Gujarati word for committee?
समिति.
Final bonus. Which Gujarati word can mean both addressee and recipient?
प्राप्तकर्ता.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just survived target groups, stakeholders, and committees without needing a NAP certificate. Today you learned
लक्षित समूह. प्राप्तकर्ता. सहभागियों. अभिनेता. हितधारक. हितजूथ.
and
समिति.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow so these Gujarati words become your old friends instead of your new paperwork.